Hey guys, Alexis1234 Sanchez here, and I am making a GTA video. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. Let's get to it. Alright, what should I do? Why are you walking like that, you dumbass? Do I have another car right there? No, you don't. What is this? I don't know how to push this. I'm gonna break my car. No, go back. I'm gonna go buy some weapons. I actually know, if you guys want to know where the minigun is and you don't have it, I'll tell you where in the next video. And if you've been all around the map, you know where the military base is, right here. So that is where the minigun is. So I am going to go there. Okay, let's go to it, brother. Let's go. I forgot how to break. So yeah, I'm gonna show you where the minigun is. I can't do it right now. I can't go inside and show it, like actually get it for you, because oh my gosh, this is so dumb. Okay, get on the motorcycle. I'm just gonna point at it where it is, because I actually don't have any cheats. Thank you. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you where it is to just help you out. And in the next video, I'm gonna get a cheat so I can go in there and show you that it's in there. The minigun is in the 6th floor, and it's very hard to get. If you need a cheat, you need the invincibility, you need a fast run, and you have to hurry up and get out of there before all of the military, the tanks come in. It is extremely hard to do. Not that hard. I'm exaggerating too much, but it is pretty hard to do. And I've died. You have to, when you get up there, you have to do your invincibility cheat again, because let me just go here. You're gonna need it for when you go out, when you go back out there. Yeah, you need it so when you get back out there, you get ready, and you have to get the fast run to fast run and super jump. Yeah, super jump, fast run. Look it up. Look the cheats up. GTA 5 cheats. Look them up, and it'll show you all the cheats. And look for super jump and all that type of stuff. But no, back. Okay. Damn it. Oh, damn it, boy, I hate this. Oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna use a car. So, once you've done that, oh my gosh, I have to go all the way. Once you've done that, you can, once you've done that, you can go look for it. It's on the military base, and I'm going to show you which building it is in. The asshole. Run, Forrest. I'm not going to go in there, personally. I want you to make a gun, but I can't. I don't want the cops on me. Any car behind me? Oh, and they're white. What? You gotta be shitting me. I'm sick right now, so it's kind of hard to talk. Okay. Change that gay ass music, boy. Mikey. My knee ain't down like that. I'm such a bad driver. Okay. Do this. Okay. So the building is like a cement building. It's pretty big. I'm gonna just hurry up and get over there. Get it over with stuff. Yeah. I need the map again. You can't see it. There we go. We are at the military base, and that is the building where you have to go into. Yep, you have to go into that building. The minigun is all the way up there. You go into that building, there's a couple of officers in there. You have to bring very powerful guns. Your invincibility has to be high. Invincibility, you need super jump. So there's tanks everywhere, so you have to be on high alert. And breaking into where you can jump over it, and yeah, you can just jump over the fence. And you need the super jump and the fast run to do it. So yeah, that is where the minigun is. So now I'm just gonna go do a whole bunch of different weird stuff. I'm gonna go in town and kill people. You know what? I'm gonna go in there. Hey, here it is me. What? Alright, so that I can leave. I don't wanna go. Hey, go in your car. Can you get out? Looks like we all have to do this. What? Already? No way. I just got killed. No way, dude. No way. No way. How did that happen? I don't even know. Gosh, bro. I'm gonna wake up in the hospital. I'm gonna freaking pay a fee. Freaking $30 million and stuff. I don't like this place. I'm gonna chase her. Let's see where he is. Damn, that was really far. Hope he finds his way. And we are in his house. It's raining over here too. Wow. Dumbass. Look all fancy. See what that kid is doing. He is not here. I want to take a hit from his bong. Let's go, man. Let's take a hit from his bong. Oh, he's not here. Never mind. No, don't hide. Gosh, this room is messy. It's like mine. Just kidding. You didn't hear nothing. What is the daughter doing? Why isn't anybody at the house? Wait. I want to see something. Is there even a reflection? Oh my gosh, how did they do this in the games? They actually make the reflections and stuff when you look in the mirror. I thought I was gonna be like a freaking vampire. Dude, walk faster. I'm gonna go jump off a cliff and die. Any cars? Why are you walking like that, perf? Board, run! Holy don't go today. Oh, let's see if I'm a good sniper in this. Oh wait, that's my car. Oh, well, that sucks. Let's see what what's that guy's name? Trevor's doing. He is here. That means we did the mission. Okay. Oh, weirdo. Always popping up in weird places. I don't even know what to do now, guys. I already showed you what the minigun is. In this next, in the next GTA video, I'm gonna go in there and actually get the minigun. I don't know if anybody has it. Does anybody have it? I don't think anybody has a minigun, so that'll be good. I'm probably gonna show where there is hidden money. Oh, I thought that was a great way. I'm gonna show where the hidden money is now. And yeah. Trying to get hit by a train, bro. Trying to get hit by that train, you know what I mean, folks? They came behind me. Where's the train at? I want to get right now. Where's the train? Yeah, damn, boy. Boy. I like Trevor. He's very don't want to mess around with that guy, that person. But it's cool. That's what I like about this. Wait, is this a place? It is a place. We can get out of here. This is one of the places where there's money. Right here. Okay, let me get out. Will I die if I jump off of this? Probably won't. Okay, there you go. Okay, there is money here.
They just keep retreating and retreating. Over here, you wicked pig.
Hope if I find it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Duh. Oh, sorry. I think I already got the money here. Oh no, I didn't. It's right here. There you go. There you go, boy. Boy. This place right here, between these two and this one. You know where it is already? It is right here. You see these steps right there? Those stairs? And you go down right here. How do you go down? Okay, that you see that right there, and it's right there. You already seen where it is. And that's one of the places where the money is. That one was 7,500. As you could see. Remember, this is the place. You see the stairs? Right there, right here. You remember it. If you see those oil things, and that big little thing right there, and it's by little trees in a road right here. It is right in there. Remember that, guys. Okay. Okay. So that has been the video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Subscribe if you're new. Like if you want to see more videos like this. Comment down below if you want me to show you where the other map is. Well, I probably will anyway. So yeah. Peace out, guys.